Welcome back. Today, Topic 6, the removal of metabolic end products. We'll go through it, in Guyton's own words, diagram by diagram, and then test it. Let's begin. The body must continuously remove metabolic waste from the ECF. If waste accumulates, cellular function ceases. The ECF is cleared through 4 specific pathways: the lungs, kidneys, liver, and gut. Here's the biological mandate. Your cells are constantly producing waste, and the body must continuously remove those metabolic waste products from the extracellular fluid. This is not optional. If waste accumulates, cellular function simply ceases. To prevent that, the ECF is cleared through 4 specific pathways: the lungs, the kidneys, the liver, and the gut. Let's take them one by one. The first exit is the lungs. As blood picks up oxygen, it releases carbon dioxide into the alveoli to be exhaled. Carbon dioxide is the most abundant metabolic waste product. The first exit is the respiratory route, the lungs. Every time blood passes through the lungs, as it picks up fresh oxygen, it releases carbon dioxide into the alveoli, and you breathe that out. Why does this matter so much? Because carbon dioxide is the single most abundant metabolic waste product your body makes, produced by every cell, every second. The kidneys are the master chemical filter. They filter the plasma, then reabsorb the needed substances, glucose, amino acids, water, and ions. And excrete the wastes, urea, uric acid, creatinine, and excess ions and water, as urine. The second exit is the renal route, the kidneys, your master chemical filter. They work in 3 steps. First, they filter the plasma. Second, they reabsorb everything the body still needs: glucose, amino acids, water, and ions, saving them. And third, they excrete the true wastes: urea, uric acid, creatinine, and any excess ions and water, all leaving the body as urine. 2 more exits handle the rest. The liver detoxifies drugs and chemicals, secreting them into the bile. And the gastrointestinal tract eliminates undigested material in the feces. That leaves 2 more exits for everything else. The liver is the body's detox plant. It chemically processes drugs and other chemicals and secretes them into the bile. And finally, the gastrointestinal tract eliminates the undigested material, the solid waste, in the feces. Lungs, kidneys, liver, and gut, together they keep the internal environment clean. Now, let's test what you've learned, with 3 quick questions. Question 1. Which is the most abundant of all the metabolic end products? Option A, urea. Option B, uric acid. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, creatinine. Option C, carbon dioxide. That's correct. Now, let's break down each option. Option A, urea. This one is wrong, because urea is a nitrogen waste, but not the most abundant. Option B, uric acid. This one is wrong, because only a minor waste product. Option D, creatinine. This one is wrong, because a small muscle waste, not the most abundant. And option C, carbon dioxide. This is the correct answer. Carbon dioxide is the most abundant metabolic product. Let's move on to the next question. Question 2. The kidneys perform their function first by filtering plasma and then by Option A, secreting all filtered substances. Option B, reabsorbing substances needed by the body. Option C, storing waste in tubular cells. Option D, converting urea to glucose. Option B, reabsorbing substances needed by the body. That's correct. Now, let's break down each option. Option A, secreting all filtered substances. This one is wrong, because they do not secrete everything back out. Option C, storing waste in tubular cells. This one is wrong, because waste is passed into the urine, not stored. Option D, converting urea to glucose. This one is wrong, because the kidney does not do this. And option B, reabsorbing substances needed by the body. This is the correct answer. They reabsorb glucose, amino acids, water and ions. Let's move on to the next question. Question 3. Among the liver's functions in waste removal is: Option A, filtration of plasma. Option B, detoxification and removal of ingested drugs and chemicals, secreted into bile. Option C, excretion of carbon dioxide. Option D, reabsorption of glucose. Option B, detoxification and removal of ingested drugs and chemicals, secreted into bile. That's correct. Now, let's break down each option. Option A, filtration of plasma. This one is wrong, because filtration of plasma is the kidney's job. Option C, excretion of carbon dioxide. This one is wrong, because carbon dioxide is removed by the lungs. Option D, reabsorption of glucose. This one is wrong, because that is a renal tubular function. And option B, detoxification and removal of ingested drugs and chemicals, secreted into bile. This is the correct answer. The liver detoxifies and secretes wastes into bile. And that's a wrap on this topic. Great job! That's it for this topic. If this helped you, please like the video, and subscribe to the channel, so you don't miss the next one. See you in topic 7.